In my hands, I'm holding a packet of black and white film developer. The cost of this developer is approximately between $5 and $6. It's in powder form. When you make this developer, you need to make it with your water at 100 degrees. When you're mixing chemistry like this, it's not difficult. It's sort of like baking a cake. You just got to pay attention to the graphics on the side of the packaging and how to make it. When you make this, you're going to make it in a stock solution. And a lot of this is actually like cooking. So when you make that stock solution, you're going to use parts of it to make your developer. So when I use this, I make it 1-to-1. And in some ways, this comes down to economics. This makes 1 gallon of stock. But if I keep using it as directed, I actually get 2 gallons out of it. So there's a little bit of chemistry and actually a little bit of math involved. And it's not that difficult to make at all.